Hello everyone, nice to meet you guys. My name is Yunfan and I'm the Doctor Candidate 1 of the A Priori Doctor Network. Currently, I'm based at TU Delft in the Netherlands. My research topic is statistical model updating of critical component model under uncertainty. So, in the first place, you might be curious about what is uncertainty and why it's so important. Let's think about a real daily life case. Consider your friend invite you to a party and ask if you would come. You might say 50-50, which means you have 50% chance to go. However, after you check the weather forecast for tomorrow, you found there is a super heavy rain. Then you ended up telling your friend that 90% I wouldn't come. You see, although you are still uncertain about whether go or not, but your friend wouldn't be surprised if you don't come. So this is the same for an industrial manufacturing system in real world. However, the situation is not as easy as the previous example. Typically, there are a large number of sources of uncertainty while you are manufacturing a real product, such as the environmental temperature and humidity, and also the cutting speed and the width of a machining center. These altogether can have a huge impact on the final product in terms of their productivity, costs, and the most important, performance of the final products. Therefore, to avoid sacrificing these factors, uncertainty quantification techniques, which is UQ techniques, needs to be developed. Therefore, this is the first goal of our research, which is developing novel strategies and models that combine both conventional probabilistic model and advanced deep learning techniques. This can help us to have a better understanding of the mechanisms and the effect of different kinds of uncertainties. Rather than single point estimates, UQ models will treat the inputs as random variables and output more reliable predictions with credible intervals, which can provide us more valuable information. Having this developed model, we'd like to apply them to real-world industrial scenarios to update our current limited knowledge of critical components and the different sources of uncertainties. In particular, we are interested in and will focus on additive manufacturing processes. By using our developed models, we can have a better understanding of the input and output relationships, thus facilitate a better decision-making and risk management process. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in our project, please reach out, and hope to see you next time.